All right, we are back. We are here with BTS. I know the army out there is going crazy because we got the guys that are smooth like butter. Yep, nominated tonight and performing on the main show. What can you tell us about your performance?
We prepared a new stage, special performance, so it's gonna be amazing.
You guys always have the best production ever. I mean, tell me about what went into the stage and the performance tonight.
We'll see you in the motion. Like we're gonna do it like
Okay.
like that. I can't tell much, but yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to be watching. Trust me. Trust
Yes.
and believe we're going to be watching.
Are you guys excited to be in Vegas?
Super pumped.
You got a party tonight and celebrate.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And you guys have a concert coming up here, too.
We got 4 shows at Legion Stadium. It's a new stadium we heard, and it's gonna be amazing as well.
The Army's going to be there. I know. Thank you guys so much for stopping and talking with us.
Congratulations, guys.
Great to see you.
Really
Have
nice
a
to
great
meet
night.
you. Congratulations.
Yes.